I'm Daniel Mustran, I'm pipe maker from Croatia. You are watching my channel. Thank you for dropping by. Not that I'm too crazy in making videos, but if you are still watching, then thank you, because the quality of the videos are still not that great, and I appreciate that you take your time and check something on my channel. Anyway, autumn is slowly closing, and temperatures are already a little bit low. It's a little bit chilly to be in short sleeves. So yeah, not that I'm too crazy about it, but in the workshop is a little bit better. It's more comfortable, I think. Anyway, today's plan is to finish the pipe that I have here at my desk. This little guy. See? A little bit better, maybe. Okay. This little guy I need to finish. The trick will be the hole. I need to polish that. And probably I will leave her in a matte finish or something. I still have to see what I will do about it. It's a nice grain pipe. A little bit big for my taste, but yeah. And the other thing is to move towards finishing two of the pipes. This little volcano, this little guy has a super nice grain, and also the stem is from Chris Kelly. It's a really soft stem, like soft ebonite, nothing like German ebonite that is a little bit harder. This is softer, and I think she will turn really nice. I need to move with this one towards finishing her, and I think in a day or two, probably 3, she will be done. And also I have this one, which is kind of a classic with a little bit of a twist. Acrylic stem, this one in a chocolate mahogany something, and Yuma on the ring section. Also pretty nice grain. She will have on the bottom, she will have a nice bird's eyes. So I need to go and finish, or move towards finishing this guy too. And last but not the least, the plan is to work around this little block. It will be something of a crazy blowfish shape, not a conventional one, but again with a little twist. At least that's the plan, because I have just a general idea in my head what to do, what to make, and I hope... Oh, by the way, do you know those guys, tobacco pipe collectors? Yeah, they were in 2015 active. I still have the t-shirt. It's not in a great condition, as you can see, but for working it's perfect. So those were the good guys. I love Mike. He has a great personality, and I was able to hang around with him a little bit through messages and everything, and then he's really a good guy. Anyway, regards, Mike. So yeah, that's the plan. I need to remove the ashes because this one is killing me. Just a sec. So, without further ado, we need to do some work. Oh yeah. No. Uh, yeah. So, after I finish this one, I need to make some dust. So stay tuned.